working real hard today, but not really. We have been spending the Veterans Day outside. It's a Monday, good day. We have done a microwave, and we have been taking stuff apart. And right now we're gonna do a TV. The TV has copper in there too. I'll show you where it is. Has a couple screws. Easy project. We have taken the plastic off the back cover, and there's the copper. It looks red, but copper comes in different colors. But it's copper, trust me. It has a couple of little speakers down there. There's a wire. We haven't cut it yet, but we'll cut it in a little bit. There you go. This right here, it's a lot of copper. Córtalo. Sometimes it's copper, sometimes it's aluminum. We just have to cut it and find out. In this case, it's copper. I have seen other ones that they aluminum. Maybe the newer ones, I don't know. Yes, it's cobre. And this wire right here, it's a lot. As you've seen in other videos, it contains a lot of copper. We decided to go ahead and take the TV out, the glass. So far, those are all the wires that we've taken it out, and we took the glass out just because we need to take the low PC grade board out, and it has some screws that we couldn't get to. Dale. Dale de los dos lados. De los dos lados. There we go. Ahí está. This is what we're aiming for. A little board. Still has the cord. We're gonna cut it. Like I said, it has a transformer. It has copper right there. This right here is aluminum. This aluminum. Same. You have and I think that's it. That's all. Here's all the